So this is day 5 and we are in Coorg. We're staying at Sudarshan guest house, a government guest house. So I've told you don't perceive anything, this, that, because the location is really nice and all. But I couldn't shoot it just because of the rains. So actually this place is located at Stuart Hill, which is quite nearby to the main market and sites, like sightseeing around. So this is good. And अगर अभी rain नहीं हो रहा है ना तो I'll make you see the view around where it's properly located. So today we'll be checking out from here and we'll be checking into Taj. So आगे का दिखाती हूँ कैसे क्या रहता है. And moreover first we'll do the sightseeing and then we'll check into other place. And the sightseeing places, as usual, I'm forgetting the names. So while I'm doing it, I'll tell you, I'll brief you about it, right? Okay.
I have come out as it has stopped raining. It's quite windy though. So this is the view from the property. और इस बिल्डिंग को भी देखो तो काफ़ी हेरिटेज टाइप लुक देता है. I mean the architecture and the outer appearance of this property is really nice. And it is situated like यहाँ से cafes, everything is so near. So we chose this for a night. And ये जैसे भी कंस्ट्रक्ट हुआ है ना थोड़ा पुराने टाइम का याद दिलाता है. It's really well planned. I mean, काफ़ी सुंदर दिखता है ये प्लेस.
मीटिंग रूम है ये. Guys, this is a meeting room here in this guest house.
Yeah, British commissioner.
चीफ कमिश्नर्स ऑफ ब्रिटिश टाइम के जो हैं उनके नाम है. अच्छा, नाइस.
So for breakfast, we have come to Hotel Greenland. It has been suggested by a driver. Says it has amazing food.
This food is so yum. So this is made of rice and this is called patal and this is fish. It's like North India में अपन पूरी भाजी खाते हैं ना, यहाँ पे ये fish and patal. Amazing, amazing. So guys, this is steady coffee, which looks amazing.
So after having breakfast, we are heading to Dobare. So it's situated on the banks of river Kaveri and it's basically an elephant camp. तो देखते हैं कैसे जाता है वहाँ पे, how it is. So we have reached Dobare and the problem is that it's been raining and we have to go the other side of this water body. You can see. So they have said that ये water level ना बहुत ऊपर आ चुका है. तो it's very difficult to row a boat. मतलब मोटा बोट भी है तो वो बहुत difficult होगा वहाँ तक जाने में. You have to keep your life jackets on and it's quite risky. तो अभी तो we are thinking कि क्या करना है. I'll show you how it is. See the water flow, क्या तेज़ी से जा रहा है. तो देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे, समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Finally have put life jacket on and we are ready to
Sir, ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾ.
So we are here finally. Let's see how it goes. This elephant camp thing.
So finally we have entered the forest area. तो अभी इतने ज़्यादा एलिफेंट्स हैं नहीं क्योंकि मॉर्निंग के टाइम पे ज़्यादा दिखते हैं इधर. बट द थिंग इज अभी वाटर लेवल भी इतना बढ़ा हुआ है ना, तो एलिफेंट्स बाहर तो नहीं आते. सारी जो भी एक्टिविटीज रहती है ना एलिफेंट्स के साथ, वो एक्चुअली उस एरिया में ज्यादा रहती है. बट अभी ज्यादा नहीं, पर आई थिंक थोड़े बहुत तो दिख ही जाएंगे. सो फाइनली एक एलिफेंट तो दिखा है यहाँ पे. बाकी 3 भी है. ये रहे बाकी के 3 एलिफेंट्स एंड क्वाइट नाइस यार, एटलीस्ट दिखे तो. या व्हाट दे हैव टोल्ड अस दैट इधर मोस्टली यहाँ तो रिटायर्ड हाथी रहते हैं या रेस्क्यूड हाथी रहते हैं. तो दिस वन, ये जो हाथी यहाँ पे मेरे लेफ्ट में देख रहे हो आप, ये भी रेस्क्यूड हाथी है. और जो वहाँ से आ भी रहा है वो भी रेस्क्यूड हाथी है, जिसकी ट्रेनिंग को हुए भी 1 महीना ही हुआ है. बिफोर दैट ये मैसूर दशहरा फेस्टिवल के लिए यहाँ पे हाथियों को ट्रेन किया जाता था. बट अभी फ़िलहाल यहाँ पे सिर्फ ह्यूमन हाथी का इंटरेक्शन कराते हैं, ऐसी एक्टिविटी रखते हैं, इनका ख्याल बहुत अच्छे से रखते हैं, इनको फीड कराते हैं. क्वाइट नाइस. So we are returning back to where our car is parked, and we'll go to another sightseeing attraction. So here we have come to Hirangi Dam, and guys, just look at this massive dam and the speed of flow of the water is superbly amazing. Just a thought that popped up. Like nature amazes us in many ways. Like look at this water. It seems suggestive, dangerous, and yet you go in a peaceful state of mind by just looking at it. So mesmerizing. So guys, on my left, this is Kaveri River and the dam is on the right side. आगे चल के दिखाती हूँ कि ये कैसे दिखता है. This is the nearest that I could get to this place. Just imagine. Amazing, amazing. All thanks to these people who have helped us in this. So we're done with the sightseeing and everything. Now I'll be checking into another hotel, and I don't think so moving out after that. And moreover, our flight has been cancelled. It was at 7 p.m. Now it's around 4:30. I mean, it's rescheduled. So have to manage our day according to that. So yeah. We are through with the check-in formalities, and look at the view, guys. This is their lobby area, and just look at this. What view we get. So we're sitting in a buggy and we are going to our room. It's a huge property and you can see it's still raining. It's been 3 days and it's still raining. So yes, I will give you a little room tour. My phone's memory, battery, everything is done. So the alternate phone I'm using for this. Hello people, so we have checked in and I couldn't show you around just because we checked in around 3:30 and then we took shower and had some food, and by now it's 7 already and it's all dark. It was already gloomy and it was raining and now it's all dark, so there's no point to go outside and show you anything. But the property is really nice. They have taken all the precautions. Before entering the property, our whole vehicle was been sanitized, and the check-in process was so smooth. There was no counter as such that where you have to go and get your formalities done. There's a person assisting us and they told us to sit somewhere and get our forms filled and briefed us about everything. And by that, we got checked in. Okay, one more thing, that they were very cautious enough that they didn't enter our room. They told that your room has been sanitized and everything, and we are meeting guests. Not much, but at least there are people who are staying here. So we are meeting them and we don't want to contaminate your room and all. So we'll be keeping your luggage outside your door and then you have to get it inside, which was perfectly fine. We dragged it in. And for dine-in and everything, they advise that you can have a room in dining, or you can come to that place also, like the dining area, and have your meals, which is good. Let's see how we go. I really want to go outside the room and explore a place. I don't know why, but yeah, the room and all is very nice. And the biggest irony that happened is tomorrow my flight was supposed to fly at 7:20 p.m. but that flight has been cancelled, the Indigo flight. We got the call that your flight has been cancelled, so we have rescheduled it at 4 or 4:20 p.m. So by that, we have to leave from here at around 8 a.m. तो अगर सुबह को मैं जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ तो ये सारा कुछ दिखाती हूँ कि आसपास क्या है, कैसे है. If not, then can't help it. I'm on a holiday. So let's see how it goes. जैसे भी होता है, I'll obviously put it here and you'll see it, right? So we are heading towards the dining area. So this is the dining area. So we are back in our room after having a dinner, and it's a wrap. Day 5 finished, and we really had a good time. Really had a good time. And now I just want to go to sleep because I have to get up early and do packing stuff. we have to leave around 8 so that we could catch flight at around 4:20 p.m. from Bangalore. So let's see. Good night. Good morning, guys. So we're all ready, all set to leave. We'll be driving to Bangalore and first we'll have breakfast. And अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है बोलते हुए बट हाँ मतलब हॉलीडेज ख़त्म हो रही है ठीक है चलो. We had called a buggy to go to the place where our breakfast has been served, and finally we could see something in the daylight. So this property is spread in over 180 acres of land, like huge property. And there are many activities that can be done here. Like you can go for nature walks, treks, coffee tasting, you can even take cookery lessons. But then for that you need to have a good weather, like it shouldn't be raining. And second, you should at least stay for 2 nights here. We just had 1 night. And on top of it, we have to leave early. So we couldn't do it. It's time to check out as it's 8:30 already and we have to leave now. आधा घंटे ऑलरेडी लेट हो चुके हैं हम लोग. बैंगलोर भी टाइम से पहुंचने का है हम लोगों को. Have come to this place for the last time before leaving. It's all misty. Seems so heavenly out here. It's rightly said by someone that there's no heaven on earth, but there are pieces of it. So finally we have checked out from Coorg and we are heading to Bangalore airport to catch our flight. So this short trip is coming to an end and I really pray COVID ना जल्दी से ख़त्म हो जाए and we can plan other trips soon. तो ये भी short trip इसलिए रखा था because we are very skeptical कि safe है नहीं है, कितना travel कर सकते हैं, everything. And mostly our parents were also concerned कि ऐसे time में बाहर निकल रहे हो, I don't know. बहुत सारे तो चीज़ें थी, फैक्टर्स थी ये ट्रिप को प्लान करने में. चलो आई होप ये सारी चीज़ें जल्दी सेटल हो जाएं एंड ये ट्रिप तो ख़त्म होने को आ गया. So finally this trip has come to an end of Karnataka Diaries, and we'll meet soon with some other place, some other destination and some other experiences. Bye bye.